What's a funnel? What exactly is the difference between a website and a sales funnel? ClickFunnels is a website and sales funnel builder for entrepreneurs. Yes, ClickFunnels was created so that entrepreneurs like you, who aren't programmers and who don't know how to code, you can easily build beautiful pages inside of a sales funnel to grow your company online. Let me show you how it works. Guide your visitors step by step through the entire sales process so they don't get confused or lost, and leave. Point your customer straight to the one product or service they need most to help solve their problem. Follow up with your visitors, even after they leave your page. ClickFunnels gives you the tools and strategies you need in one convenient spot. Yes, ClickFunnels gives you the tools and strategies you need to market, sell, and deliver your products online. Simple drag and drop web page editor. Quickly build sales funnels that convert. Smart shopping cart with one-click upsells. Email and Facebook marketing automation. Everything organized in one simple dashboard. Generate leads. Generate new leads that you can connect with. Create simple funnels that quickly capture your visitors' contact information so you can generate new leads to follow up with again and again, even after they leave your page. Sell your products. Create beautiful pages and funnels that are pre-designed to walk your traffic through each step of the sales process and convert them from visitors into actual paying customers who benefit from your products. Also, you can add one-click upsells and dramatically increase your revenue per customer. Follow-up funnels. When you upgrade to Actionetics MD, you can also connect or reconnect with your audience anytime, anywhere using multi-dimensional marketing. You can send highly targeted messages to your customers through email, social, text, and desktop notifications. That means your messages can get delivered straight to your customer, no matter where they're at or what they're doing. Need to know more about what ClickFunnels can do for you? Click the link in description below to see more detailed information about these powerful features inside. Start your free trial today. To start building your first funnel right now. Let me show you everything you'll get today when you join ClickFunnels today. Yes, everything you get with your free trial today. ClickFunnels Smart Funnel Builder, $2,997 per year value. ClickFunnels Editor, Simple Web Page Creation, $1,997 per year value. Backpack Easy Affiliate System, $997 per year value. Follow-up Funnels, $4,997 per year value. 3 Fast Funnel Templates, $149 value. Special Web Class Training, $149 value. Funnel Hackers Cookbook, Digital, $149 value. Funnel Cookbook 3-part video training series, $149 value. ClickFunnels Member Community, priceless. Total value, $10,988 per year. Get started today for free. Yes, it's all free for today. From here it's just finalizing the details. Click on the link in description, pick what subscription plan you want to be on, and we can finally get started. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video and watch the training video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.